we are back. Powertune. Sonvia is pretty much done. However, I am finally hooking up oil temp because I've never had it. So Pete made the cables. It's just 2 wires. I already had the sensor down there. Run it through, and I've got to clean up this bird nest. So there's a panel there with all the Motec on the other side. And yeah, he's just going to wire that in, but for me to get him to wire those 2 in, I'll have to do some work, guys. So I'm going to help him out and do some wiring for a few hours. Here we go. Rightio. So just so you guys know, I'm actually working and not sitting down. I've just gone through and tinned the end of all these with obviously the solder and the soldering gun. So I've done the orange ones, red dogs, black dogs, white dogs, and now I've got to go through and tin all the long studs here. So the very long ones, the middle long ones, and the low, sorry. So the long ones, middle long ones, lower long ones, and then not the short ones. So I'm going to go through and do that now. I don't know how I'm going to hold this. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. We got one done, this one here, all finished. Well, not finished, but my job's done. On to the next one. Job done. So far. What's next, boss?
Done?
Yep.
I'll get you the printer.
Oh yeah? Okay. I made a hell of a mess.
So usually I just do a rough twist, because it's not going to be heat trunk or anything.
So you're just reenacting the fact that it's going to have a case wrapped around it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oi! Alright, so I'm going to use this freaking sewing machine.
Yep.
Righto.
So basically...
This literally is Pete's little sweatshop, isn't it? We've got it all going on here.
Right.
Yeah. Powertune.
So you grab the wire?
Grab the wire.
Not stripped.
Cable or wire? Technically it's cable.
Why?
Carry on.
Is it? Is it?
Nah. It's whatever you want it to be. You call it a stick for all I care.
What's the difference between cable and wire?
Well, wire's wire. Cable's something wrapped in wire. I don't know. Oh, I'm looking.
So see this little cutter, the diagonal thing?
Yep.
So you want to feed the wire and at the back of it there's a sensor.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Yep.
So you touch that, you let go of the wire.
Oh.
This will grab the wire.
Yep.
Strip it, slide it across here.
Yep.
And then crimp it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Easy. Stick it in and...
Hope for the best.
Yeah. Don't pull out. Watching. Fucking hell.
Alright, do it.
Okay.
Do one.
Let's do one. Oh. Where the fuck's the thing? Jesus.
Yep.
That's, oh, I don't know. Quality control.
No, you're sweet.
Did I pull out?
No, you're good.
Oh. Jesus. That easy. Alright. I'll do the whole lot. Job done. I think that's it for me. I think I've signed them, so if they come back as a warranty job, full refund. Oil temp, flying success. It's on the dash. Thank you, sir. I haven't started the car yet though, since I pulled all the wiring, the bits, and she'll be right. She'll be right. I gotta go load it up now, get ready to go home. Oh. It's flown along this week. See you, brother. Thanks heaps for the whole week. It's fucking wicked. I'll be back soon. So see you guys.
Bye.
I gotta go, bro.
You're going? Don't do that to me. Stay another week. When you come back?
I don't know. We got some trickery we want to get onto, but I got vintage, so it'll be a little while.
You coming for more time to take?
No. I gotta work.
Sit in the car, I'll drive it. I'll show you how to do it.
Bloody pelican.
Take it easy, mate.
Yeah, you
nice
too,
seeing you again. It's been a fucking too long.
Yeah.
Hopefully you down here again. Next time you come down my hair will be long.
Hopefully it's a giant afro.
I'll make it like that for you. Next
Really?
video. Yeah.
I reckon you'll get pissed off with it and cut it.
No.
No?
Don't you remember when I had long hair?
Yeah, but you had it in a ponytail.
It started like this, believe it or not.
Oh.
Didn't just grow overnight.
Yeah, fair enough.
Fucking idiot. You're still as dumb as you always were.
Alright, see you, bro.
See you, mate.
See you,
Take it
fellas.
easy.
See you, brother. Thanks again.
Peace.
Everything. We got some crazy ideas coming up, don't we? We're not going to tell them. I'll be back very soon, though. Alright. See you, Ryan.
See you, mate.
He's got to have his car ready in a day. Yeah, it won't be running. Alright. Thanks again. And I got a nice little drive home. So we'll be back tomorrow, guys. See you later.